Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is July the 7th, 2021. Take a look at my chart. We're going to talk on RSR. It's a relatively new cryptocurrency that we really don't cover too much on our channel, but we had some of our artists and members show some interest in this cryptocurrency, so we went ahead and did a price prediction for this cryptocurrency. Now, before I break down where we expect this price to go, if today's your first time ever seeing our video, we're here. The doors are open. You guys can join this community, right? We're here to ensure we get in position and win in a space. And we do it in a way that's not confusing, right? Our charts are not confusing. Our speech is not confusing. We don't use those useless, lagging, pointless indicators on our chart because none of that is needed. Only thing that is needed is to pay attention to what the trap is going to do. Now, the trap, if you're new to this channel, is the one that we've created. We needed to put a face to these price bars and volume. Someone is actually in this market dictating where price is going to go, and it is him. So you need to follow him, and he drops breadcrumbs to us every day whenever the market is open, whenever the market trades, which in this case for cryptocurrency is 24/7. So he's always on the job. He is always out there prowling, trying to get us in some very bad positions to make us lose while he continues to win. We got to follow him. So if you want to do it, if you want to join us, hit the like button, share, subscribe here to this particular channel. So let me zoom in real quick. You guys can see that we did a price prediction right there on June the 7th, playing the weakness in RSR, and it didn't take long, right? The second day, matter of fact, of us doing the price prediction, the market in RSR came down to our support area, which was around 22.5% profitability in that realm. And even past that particular time frame, the market in RSR came all the way down here towards like 2 cents, which would have given us 49.67% right there, right? That's just that simple. Okay, let me take that away. And all of our average viewers, all of our community members who's been riding with us for a while, understand one of the first things I tell them to do when they look at price charts is to look at the volume. The volume dictates how busy the trap was. Okay, so you guys can see right here on this particular trading day, which is June 22nd, 2021, that market volume is climactic here on this Binance exchange. So he was real active on that day, right? June 22nd, 2021. It speaks volumes. Literally, it tells us what happened, because did the price fall below 2 cents following June 22nd? Did the price continue to drop? It didn't. As a matter of fact, the market held support at 2 cents. That is going to be crucial in this price prediction going forward. And since then, this market in RSR has been doing a slight uptrend, right? So we need to play that. Let me get rid of this line here because the market in RSR is not utilizing it. And I'm going to take this line and we're going to use that as support. Okay. So let me extend this over just a tad. So now we know 2 cents is support. How do I know? Well, the volume dictates that. Somebody in the market did not want to break that price below 2 cents in RSR. That's why the market has been sustaining that price above 2 cents, and we've been seeing slight movement higher. So now the next question is, okay, cool. We have that. Where is restriction then? It's easy, right there around 3 cents. So it's probably about a 1 cent gap between support and restriction right now in RSR. So we're not going to make this complicated nor difficult. Because remember what I told you, the trap always drops breadcrumbs for us. So let me transition over to a longer out time frame because I want to see what's the prospect of this market in RSR topping out around 3 cents. That definitely look feasible on the daily time frame. This is the 3-day time frame. We got a day and 14 hours left so far in RSR. The market is not that weak, but it's also not that strong neither. Let me take a look at this market on the 5-day time frame. The last 3, including the current 5-day price bar, we've seen the market dip. And every time we seen the market dip, we was able to see the price close up above the previous close. So even amongst all of this selling that is going on, the selling is trying to stop, right? The people who are in the market in the RSR is telling us that they're almost tired of the selling, like the bag is almost empty, so that price will continue to lift higher and higher because of what these dips has occurred in this space. This is the weekly time frame. So far, so good. Monthly time frame. So far, so good. Pretty much. I mean, you can see from October to April, back down to July, we saw the whole market in RSR go from 1 penny to 12 cents, back down to 2 cents. Just amazing at how swift the market can move in the cryptocurrency space. This is the 5-hour time frame. So far, I'm still suspecting that the price in RSR is going to continue to go higher, but my eyes is only fixated on 3 cents. So, I mean, it might not be worth the price prediction. It might not be worth deploying resources to that. Let me see. Right. Let's see what we got. So we know the support is going to be around 2 cents. That's 25% from where the market is in RSR. 3 cents. It's probably about 11.5. Right? About 11%. Okay. Is that feasible? Is that something that you deploy money to? Get in position? 11%? It's decent. What about up here towards 3.5? That's about 30.5% increase from where the market is. Do you think there's enough momentum to actually push up that price to 3.5? Because that's what we're going to do. Just a tad higher. All right. So yeah, we're still gonna play the strength. Our first area TP, i.e. the place that will come through and take some profits off the table, will be around 3 cents. That's about 11% profitability. You guys saw that on the chart. Back up there towards 3.5, a little bit lower than 3.5. I just want to plaster that horizontal line up there so we can kind of get a gauge as to where we can expect to see more selling. Right. So we got 3 areas to where we can expect to see selling. 3 cents is first, and then 3.5 is next. All right. So pretty much the market looks stable. It is inching its way higher price, and we really don't see too much weakness so far. But once we approach that 3 cent area, that's where we have to pay a little bit more attention. And that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Welcome to the team. Make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.